Hello, today we will see how we can scrape the US news travel listing using Minexa.ai. So firstly we will select the list mode in the Minexa web app, and I will simply copy the URL of the listing page, and now we have to feed some sample data to Minexa. So I just need this listing, I don't need this data. I will simply copy the listing. So I have simply copied all this listing and I will paste it as sample data to Minexa. I will simply click on create scraper, and this will take about 2 minutes, and Minexa will scrap the listing page for me. Once the scraper is fully created, I can give any kind of US news travel listing URL to the Minexa scraper, and Minexa will scrap that for me. As you can see, Minexa has successfully scraped the data for me. So I needed the image URL, the price, description, as well as the destination name. So I need only these columns. I will simply select them, and Minexa has provided me the code. I will simply copy this code, and I need to paste this code as data's value in this code that Minexa provides in the GitHub repo. I will attach the GitHub link with this video. I have this code already in my editor, so I will replace it as the data value. So I have simply replaced the data value, and now I will just run my script, and this will scrap the listing from the Travel USA website. This will take a minute to scrap. So I can see the data here. It has provided me CSV, JSON and Excel format. So I will open the JSON, and as you can see in the results, I have this image value as the image URL, also the price, the description, and the destination name, which is Grand Canyon National. Okay, so that's how we can scrap all the listing using Minexa AI.